There's a couple templates that are going to allow us to build surveys, but the more powerful way to start is probably to start from scratch, right? So let's start from scratch with just a really easy way to start. Let's think about perhaps as an office coordinator or as a team leader, perhaps you're doing a lunch order, something like that. So maybe we want to say lunch order. We want this to be on demand, where once I publish it, they'll have 1 day to respond. Maybe we want to ask, what would you like lunch? And then the next question may be something along the lines of any dietary restrictions. Once we've done that, we can actually just add a nice little emoji to define the flow. That's taco. Use this flow to capture your order. So we'll build that. And then with this, we now have the power to distribute this to our team via the share model. So let's go and share this flow. I know that I want just the product team and the design team to be able to participate in this. So let me grab product management and let me grab design and user experience. Boom, confirm. And then because I'm the only one who's going to be ordering, I'll have all of these responses just filtered to me as the owner. So from there, we can complete that. We can run the flow, give everyone a day to respond. And now, boom, the product and design team gets this, and they can start filtering their responses in. That's a really simple way that we can build a flow or a form where we're pulling those responses in.